Don't look at that. Friday, partly cloudy with a high of 33 and a low of 19. Saturday, sunny with a high of 38 and a low of 27. And on Sunday, partly cloudy with a high of 35 and a low of 20 degrees. Why are you always here?
Good afternoon, students. This is Anderson with your afternoon announcements. Friday, would you like to see sled hockey in the lacrosse area Green Island Ice Arena? Games are at Saturday at noon, 2 and 4, and on Sunday at 9, 11, and at 1 p.m. Come support the sled hockey, as well as Savannah Utesh and Logan Perry. Go Frost! The next GSA meeting is in Thursday, December 18th at 7:30 a.m. in room 210. The GSA will be hosting a bake sale during both lunches, Wednesday and Thursday. The fundraiser will be donating proceeds to an organization that helps the LGBTQ youth in need. The volunteer for either provide baked goods or sell them. Please sign up with Mrs. Soper. The DECA Bowling night will be Monday, December 17th, starting at 6 p.m. in the Strike Zone. The cost of DECA students is just $5 for bowling, pizza, and soda. Non-DECA members may attend for $9. See Mr. Briggs, room 214 for more details. Thanks, everybody. This has been Anderson. Out.